This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. Let's take a look at Sprint, ticker symbol S. And we can see over the last 2 days, there have been some huge drop. For today, down about 6%. And for the week, we can see the stock is down about 9% for the week. Now, from a long-term view, the question is there anything that was giving us an idea that possibility of resistance was taking place somewhere here? And I think there's a way we can explain this resistance here recently around the $650 area. And to do that, let's take a look at a long-term monthly chart. And if you follow my work, this type of a line here, in fact, let me draw it with a thinner line. So I was saying, if you follow my work, this type of line here should make sense. This is the previous support line turned into a break line. This was support and then turned into a break line here. And over the last couple of months, this has been tagged twice with backtest RSI failure. It is also failure to hold back above RSI 50. And in my opinion, combine the red line backtest failure and RSI 50 rejection. That is what has set the stage for this recent pullback. I know it's a quick video highlighting the need to be watching long-term charts. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-A-C-S. Whoa, yeah.